Welcome to Emilac Online Tutorial, and today before us is a chemical equation that we will need to balance. Alright, and our duty today is to see how to balance this chemical equation. Alright, now let's look at this. Now this is zinc now reacting with hydrogen chloride now to give zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Now before we start balancing this equation, please, if you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of every video that I will be uploading as regard to solving questions in topics relating to mathematics, physics, and chemistry. Alright, let's get started. Now, for every chemical reaction, you must be aware that the total mass of the reactant must be the total mass of the product, and which also includes that the number of mole of each element in the reactant must be equal to the number of mole in of each element in the product. All right, then let's take a look at this. Now here zinc is 1, hydrogen is 1, chlorine is 1. Now here zinc is 1. Now chlorine here is 2, and hydrogen here is what, 2. Now we can see that from the left hand side and from the right hand side that there are some elements that are yet to be balanced. Now zinc here is 1, zinc here is also 1. All right, now hydrogen here is 1. Now hydrogen here is 2. Now chlorine here is 2, and here is 1. Now it definitely means there's a deficiency of some atoms here. Now, all right, for us now to balance this equation here, now here, since you're having 2 here and here you're having 2 here, so with here we're having 1 1. So for us to balance this equation here, we include 2 here. Now these 2 will now make oxygen here to be 2 and chlorine here also to be 2. So here we can see that here we have 1 for zinc, here 1 for zinc. Now chlorine here is 2. Hydrogen here is 2, hydrogen here is 2. Now chlorine here is 2, and here chlorine here is 2. All right, let's take a look at another example. All right, there is another chemical reaction that we need to balance here. All right, now this is sodium carbonate, hydrogen tetrahydrosulfate 6, sodium sulfate, carbon dioxide, and water. Now looking at this, let us see if it is balanced. Here sodium you have 2, carbon here you have 1, and oxygen here you have 3. Now here you have 2, sulfur here you have 1, oxygen here you have 4. Okay, then sodium here you have 2, sulfur here you have 1, oxygen here you have 4. Then here carbon here is 1, oxygen here is 2, then hydrogen here is 2, and oxygen here is 1. All right, now let us see. Now sodium here is 2, here is 2. Okay, then carbon here is 1. Is there another carbon here? No, here is 1. All right, now oxygen here is 3, and here is 4. So definitely on the right hand side, which is the reactant, here we have 7 atoms of oxygen. Okay, so here we have 4, here we have 2, here we have 1. This is 4 plus this 2, that is 6, and here we have 1. All right, so oxygen here is balanced 7, and here 7 is oxygen. Now sulfur 1. Okay, definitely this is a balanced equation already. All right, if you love this tutorial, please kindly subscribe and ensure you click on to the notification button to be notified of every video. All right, thank you. I'll actually be uploading more of these examples in this tutorial series. All right, thank you and God bless you.